One thing is people are saying that there's no flight for a student, but you are a student, so
No, there are flights.
there are flight for students for Air
Yes.
India as well. So that's wrong.
Because we need to search for the flights at least for 4 to 5 days so that we can get a ticket.
So people, some YouTubers or let's say some other people do discourage people in UK, and they said there's no job there, there's no future there, there's no PR there. I don't agree with them because I'm living from Salah 70. As a student, you think there's no chance for a PR in this country after finishing your course? Or
Audio Jungle.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम है गैरी। अब मुझे मिले एक फॉर्मर स्टूडेंट चंदन जो कि लंदन में पढ़ते हैं। इस टाइम मैं बैठा हूँ दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट में अपनी फ़्लाइट लेने के लिए, तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना मैं इनसे बात करूँ और इनसे फाइंड आउट करूँ और ये क्या सोचते हैं यूके के बारे में ड्यू टू कोविड-19 सिचुएशन। क्या पार्ट टाइम जॉब मिलती है, क्या आगे जाकर टीयर 2 स्पॉन्सरशिप मिलेंगी, कैसे NI नंबर अप्लाई करते, कैसे BRP कार्ड अप्लाई करते, कौन सा बैंक इन्होंने खोला है, कैसे इन्होंने एग्ज़ाम पास किए हैं, कैसे इन्होंने फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर पास किया। चलिए इनसे बात करते हैं क्या ये सोचते हैं अबाउट पोस्ट स्टडी वर्क वीज़ा। चलिए बात करते हैं मिस्टर चंदन से। What is your name?
Chandan.
Chandan, which part you are from India?
I am from Telangana.
From Telugu, okay.
Yes.
So where you study in UK?
London, Central London.
Okay, what course you do?
Business Analytics.
Business analytics, that's a good course. That's a short occupation course. Okay.
Yes.
So my question is to you, came in January 2020, like you said, you just done your first semester.
Yes.
What difficulty you have faced due to COVID-19?
So the main difficulty which we face due to COVID-19 is physical classes. We missed
classes?
Yes, we missed the physical environment.
Okay. Did university supported you quite well, or
Yes, university supported well in terms of online teaching.
they supported quite well?
Yes.
And how was the exam system? It was quite easy. Did it supported you because you can't attend physical
No,
classes?
there is no change in the exams thing. It was same as before.
Same as
We need to
before.
submit our assignments through online.
So I assume you're doing masters in business.
Yes,
analytics.
yes.
So now you're going back to UK. There's a one thing is people are saying that there's no flight for a student, but you are a student, so
No, there are flights.
there are flights for students for
Yes.
Air India as well. So that's wrong.
Because we need to search for the flights at least for 4 to 5 days so that we can get a ticket.
Ticket. So these flights are open for students as well, because people think the people who's coming for September intake.
No.
They think
It is open for everyone.
It's open for everyone.
Yes.
So I'm very much glad you have cleared this doubt for my subscriber or my students.
And one more thing is British Airways is starting service from India to UK.
Yes, I saw today. I
Yes.
saw one the captain. I did ask him. He said 19th of August. That was first flight. They
Yes,
fly
yes,
from.
yes,
It's,
yesterday.
I think daily basis. I think.
No, it's,
3 times a week. I think.
4 times a week.
Or 4 times a week. So students can go in British Airways as well.
Yes.
So good. So
The main disadvantage of British Airways is luggage. If we come in Air India, we'll get excess luggage. If we come in British Airways, we'll get only 30 kgs of luggage. So I request all the students to take Air India so that they can get much luggage.
what you think student needs to pack 5 things in a suitcase when they're coming as students? 5 most. I know you can't tell them everything. What are the 5 things they need to pack?
5 things for the students coming from India, I tell is, main thing is food. They need to carry spices.
Spices, yes. First
Yes.
thing is food, yeah.
And second thing is, due to this COVID-19 situation, they need to carry at least 6 pairs of gloves, 6 pairs of hand gloves, sanitizer, mask.
Mask, okay.
And
medicines as well?
Medicines, no need of medicines. As we are younger people now, there is no need of taking medicines.
Okay. What's the third thing then?
Third thing is getting all the documents which are required for the university and in the immigration,
Okay.
all the things.
And what's the fourth things then?
Fourth thing is laptop is must.
Laptop is must.
Yeah.
So they don't need to buy from India. They can buy from UK, or is it expensive in India, or is it same price in UK?
Compared to UK and India, it's better to buy laptop from India.
Buy laptop from India. Okay.
Yes.
And what's the fifth thing you want to give them tips?
Fifth thing I want to tell is carry some good books.
Good books to study. Okay, I'm going to ask one question. Student does ask is how much money they can carry from India when they're coming first time, and what is the best method they can bring money from India?
They can carry 1,000 pounds of cash to UK.
No problem.
No problem. Up to 1,000 pounds.
Okay.
So if they are bringing excess than 1,000 pounds, it's better to carry in travel card.
Travel card from bank like HDFC or something.
Yes, yes.
Okay. That's
I suggest Thomas Cook is better in terms of travel card.
Thomas Cook is much better than
Yes.
HDFC. Okay,
Yes.
fine. So my question is next to is you're going to graduate in January 2021, if I'm right.
2022.
Also, you got placement as well in your course.
Yes,
okay?
yes. It's my
So,
2 years
okay.
course.
So there is a bit controversies going on. Do you get a post-study work visa or yes?
Yes, yes. Obviously, the students who will complete their course after July 2021,
Okay.
they will definitely get their PSW.
PSW. Okay.
I am having a proof for it from the Home Office.
You got a proof from Home Office?
Yes, I am
Well-
having a letter.
Oh, you have a letter from Home Office?
Yes.
Very good. That's really good news. And if you don't mind, I'm going to ask a little bit. So, what is your plan after post-study work visa? Do you want to apply tier 2 jobs over here, or do you want to go to Canada, or you want to get stay
No,
in
no,
UK?
no. I want to stay in UK. As my family, I mean, my cousins are there in UK. They are well settled in UK.
Okay.
So I will definitely try to settle back in UK.
I think you are very confident. And what tips you want to give to students who wants to apply for a part-time jobs?
Till date, I didn't. I didn't do any part-time job because I have, after a huge search, I got one part-time job, and he told me that after a week he will be providing shift. And due to this lockdown situation, everything has been collapsed. Now I need to go once again and look for the part-time job.
Okay, so due to COVID-19, you couldn't find part-time
Yes,
jobs.
I found one.
So you found one.
Yes, I have got a job also. What he told is I will be providing shift from next week.
Okay.
So from the next week, COVID-19 lockdown has begun.
Good. I'm very much glad you already opened. So you open your bank account, you open your national insurance number.
Yeah, everything is been done.
So how student can get a BRP card because students get a
We are,
numbers.
while applying for a visa, there is an option called we can collect from the nearest post office to the location which we are staying,
Okay.
and option 2 is from the college.
Okay.
So which the location which we choose will we should come. You can collect their BRP. If we tend to choose in university, we can collect it from university. If we tend to choose from the nearest location of our
Post
home
office.
post office, we can collect it from there.
So there's an easy way. It's only one day.
It's easy way, and it's a quick 2 minutes process.
2 minutes was good.
2 minutes
And
process.
how long it takes to open a bank account? In mine, because I'm living in UK from last 17 years, it takes only 1 or 2 days maximum.
I took 1 hour. That's it.
It took 1 hour.
I took only 1 hour.
I got HSBC Bank. I don't know which one.
I am using HSBC Bank. Within 1
Oh.
hour, my account
I
got
told all-
opened, and within 2 days, I got my card to home.
Okay, okay, good. I will test. So how long? Because in my case, when I apply national insurance, it takes me 3 weeks. But I'm talking about 17 years ago because I'm living. So how long it takes you to get a national insurance number from?
I got after 5 weeks, I think so.
5 weeks. National
So has because of this COVID-19 situation, it got delayed.
I think for a spouse visa who came with the husband and wife, they were same method to get a BRP card, na?
Same
Methods are same, na?
Same
I don't know
methods.
if-
Yes, same method.
And have you faced any airport interview when you came first time?
Yes, I have faced.
What question they asked
asked
me?
only few things. First thing is, what is your university name?
Okay,
What course? Where you are going to stay?
okay,
What is your father occupation in your home country?
okay,
What is his annual income?
okay.
That's it.
ये सब पूछते हैं वो सारा कुछ ना?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
it. It
So-
depends on our intensity. So by seeing our face, they can easily judge. So
genuine or not.
yes, if we are a bit tensed, they will keep going on asking questions.
Like-
If we are very confident, they will ask only few questions.
Let them go. Have you got embassy interview back in India?
No. I got only interview from the university. That is pre-CAS interview. That's it.
How long it takes once you give interview for a pre-CAS to get a proper CAS? 3 weeks, 4 weeks?
No, actually I got my CAS within 2 days.
You are so lucky. So how long it takes you to complete whole process for study visa till visa in your hand? 2 months?
No, actually I got my process completed within. I started on December 11th.
Okay.
By January 12th, my visa was there in my hand, and because of this Christmas holiday situation, 15 days got delayed, or else I could get everything done in December only.
Oh my wow. So you know people, some YouTubers or let's say some other people do discourage people in UK, and they said there's no job there, there's no future there, there's no PR there. I don't agree with them because I'm living from last 17. As a student, you think there's no chance for a PR in this country after finishing your course or tier 2 jobs?
If we have confidence on us in regarding jobs, after completing our 4 years of post-study work visa, if we are very confident that we can get a tier 2 sponsor, and so that we can extend our visa, and after that we can go for a PR.
So you think students can get a PR in this country
Yes.
if they are hardworking, like
Yes,
confident?
yes.
So that's nonsense. People said there's no.
No. There is no such a way.
There's no. It's all in your hand.
Yes,
I
completely.
I agree with it. So Okay, because you just came for a 6 month ago, and I think you are my younger brother. I'm going to ask this question to you because people do call me Bada Bhai. Have you never thought in your head, once I get a part-time job, I will go to Switzerland to make my travel history, my passport? Have you got thought comes in your head like when I was student, I used to go?
No. What we thought is after getting part-time job,
Okay.
we thought to fly to Scotland.
Scotland. Okay, fair enough.
The nature is very amazing in Scotland.
Scotland.
So we, as a team of 8 friends, thought to plan Scotland.
Okay, Scotland. Okay, fine. So good. So you are happy with you done everything. You finish your first semester. You passed your exam.
Yes.
The only thing you are a bit behind. Sorry to say that you have never worked any part-time job.
Yes.
But rest, you tick all the boxes. You apply national insurance number, your
Yes.
bank account.
Even
ERP
even
card.
the job has come, but due to this COVID situation, I lost it.
You lost it.
Yes.
But job came in your
Yes.
in your shoes, and you could not do it because due to COVID-19.
Yes.
Which is very. I'm very much happy, and I can see that you will get a good future in this country because you are very confident. And I think we just met. I just said hello, and you said you want to come to my camera, and I think you answer all the questions. And I'm very impressed. So last thing, do you know there is a point-based system is going to be changed from January 21 for a tier 2?
Yes. I know.
70 points.
Yeah,
you
I
know that one as
yeah,
well.
I know.
So you are fully prepared.
Yes. Before coming to UK, a student should inquire everything on his own. He should not depend on consultancy.
They should not be. Not even YouTubers, I must say.
At any point of time, they should not depend on anyone. They should do their own hard work so that they will know everything right from the scratch.
So do you watch YouTube channels sometimes to get information?
Yes, I do watch.
Who's your favorite YouTuber? I know you don't know me because
I restrict the time and see YouTube.
I'm sure you watch Manoj. Manoj is from Telugu, Manoj Breli.
I don't know. Right, I will watch right from now.
From Manoj. He's a good guy. He's from Telugu. So that's fine. And thanks very much.
Manoj Birelli.
Yes.
Yes, I do watch his channel.
You do watch. He's
Yes.
one of my good friends. So I know.
I do watch Manoj Birelli, and there are few more channels. Probably I don't remember the names, but I do watch Manoj Birelli.
But I know. He's one of the oldest. So do you? I know you don't know me because I make videos in Hindi. Do you understand Hindi as well?
Little bit, but not much.
Not much. Okay, that's fine. So anything else you want to say to students on camera, for my students or even your colleagues or our Indian friends? Or
What the
Pakistani
thing
friends?
I want to tell is completely in UK, everything is based on referencing. So how much is your network is big, you can get that much opportunities. So if your network is small, you will get only little opportunities. So if your network is big, you will get more opportunities. So you need to make friends, just randomly make friends who is not only Indians, make friends from other countries also.
Like Pakistan, Bangladesh,
Yes.
Sri Lanka, Nepal, and
Yes.
That's a really good thing.
The thing our Indians do is they only mingle with Indians. They don't mingle with other countries' people.
They don't even mingle with Indians. They just Malayali people will mingle with Malayalis.
Yes.
Punjabi will mingle with. You are right, because if you want to grow, you have to come
Yes.
from that.
We need to separate from our gang and
From
we need to
gang.
make friends.
Can I say something to you honestly? When I came in this country 17 years ago, I was the only North Indian guys, and there's a guy from Telugu from Hyderabad, and he did help me to find an internship. He did not help me, but he guided me how to get an internship. And I was working for a hot pan wash machine, and I got a placement over there. So I also take one step to make friends from South India, and honestly, they did help me quite a lot, and I got very soft corner for them in my whole life, because they did help me to find a part-time job. Thanks very much for your time.
Thanks.
And I hope you will watch my videos as well.
Yes.
Okay. Wish you very good luck.
Thanks.
It was Chandan who came in this country in January 2020, like you guys. So guys, he told us very clearly, if you have a confidence, you can make a good career or you can make a good life in UK. So guys, please have a confidence in yourself. Try to motivate yourself. I'm sure all of you will have a good future. आपके पेरेंट्स भी आप पर प्राउड करेंगे. तो guys, please stay safe and happy. आप जहाँ रहे खुश रहे, बात और मेरे एक नई वीडियो की वेट करें. तब के लिए अलविदा दोस्तों, और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा, क्योंकि मेरे पास है 17 experience as student in British passport, and remote control channel is in your hand. And don't forget to come to Instagram if you want to become my friends over life over there.